Hi friends, I'm here to do some more Heggerty exercises with you. Today, instead of starting with rhyming, we're going to start with nonsense words. So I'm going to say a color word, only I'm going to change the beginning sound so it doesn't sound quite right, and I want you to see if you can guess what the color word is. Okay, here we go. The first one is purple. Purple. Tello. Yellow. Orange. Orange. Fiend. Green. Pite. White. Slew. Blue. That one was a little harder. And the last one is Z. Red. Good job. All right, let's do beginning sounds. I'll say a word, you repeat the word, together we'll make the beginning sound. Bike. B. Queen. Qu. Game. G. Jeans. J. Lamp. L. Nest. N. Door. D. 7. S. Vine. V. Year. Y. Excellent. All right, now we're going to blend some words. So I will say the smaller words, you repeat them, and then together we'll clap it to blend it. Here we go. Earthworm. Earthworm. Keyboard. Keyboard. Meatballs. Meatballs. Nickname. Nickname. Moonlight. Moonlight. Overalls. Overalls. Watermelon. Watermelon. Hallway. Hallway. Starfish. Starfish. Toolbox. Toolbox. Good job. Okay, let's listen for ending sounds now. I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then together we'll say the ending sound. Fall. L. Mom. Gone. Slip. P. Gas. S. It. T. Dive. V. Fox. X. Lose. Z. Cab. B. Good work. All right, let's segment some words. So I'll say the word, you'll repeat it, and then we'll break it into the smaller parts. Here we go. Notebook. Notebook. Snowplow. Snowplow. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Homemade. Homemade. Teaspoon. Teaspoon. Sunset. Sunset. Inside. Inside. Postcard. Postcard. Nightgown. Nightgown. Sweatshirt. Sweatshirt. Excellent. All right, so we're going to do some word substitution now. I'll say the word, and then we'll change the beginning word to something different, see what we make. The word is headlight. Change head to flash. Flashlight. The word is doorway. Change door to high. Highway. The word is birdhouse. Change bird to dog. Doghouse. The word is jellyfish. Change jelly to star. Starfish. The word is daytime. Change day to night. Nighttime. Excellent. Okay, let's do some word addition. So I'll tell you the beginning part and then we'll add another word to the end, see what we make. Here we go. The word is play. Add room to the end. Playroom. The word is foot. Add ball to the end. Football. The word is snow. Add man to the end. Snowman. The word is sun. Add day to the end. Sunday. The word is night. Add time to the end. Nighttime. Okay, we're going to do word deletion. We only have 2 more exercises left. Word deletion is next. I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we'll take away the ending part and see what we make. Here we go. The word is someday. Without day, the word is some. The word is mailman. Without man, the word is mail. The word is classroom. Without room, the word is class. The word is sidewalk. Without walk, the word is side. The word is sunshine. Without shine, the word is sun. Excellent. All right, last one where we're counting words in our sentences. Here we go. Do you like popcorn? Four. That one's a little tricky because popcorn is a compound word made out of pop and corn. So do you like popcorn? She likes to color. Four again. We sing songs at school. Five. The baby takes a nap. Five again. Is it time for lunch? Five again. I can run very fast. Okay, and this last one has another compound word in it, so count carefully. Do you like wintertime? And that was 4. Do you like wintertime? One word. Nice job, friends.